you're watching this, chances are you're in the process of searching for a contract manufacturing partner for your machinery or equipment. And if you are, then you know that it's a daunting task. There's so many options out there and it's hard to know where to start. Choosing the right CM is a critical step in bringing your machine to market. At PEKO, we've learned a lot about what companies are looking for when choosing a manufacturing partner over the past 55 years. We took these lessons and bundled them into an easy-to-read guide that can serve as a checklist on your contract manufacturing selection journey. Our contract manufacturing guide highlights and expands on 5 major categories. Section 1 discusses partnership. This keystone concept of machinery manufacturing is critical because you'll be actively working with your contract manufacturing partner frequently. In this section, we'll guide you through some of the tangible and intangibles about working with your CM. In Section 2, we talk about onboarding. Onboarding is the process of beginning a new relationship with your contract manufacturing partner. This guide helps you to understand things like NPI, prototypes, and other factors that go along with commercializing a machine. Not every partner has a robust onboarding process, so using this checklist will help with your assessment. Production section, number 3 in the guide, was created to get you thinking about how the manufacturing is taking place. Most machinery and equipment products have a high content of metal, electrical, and assembly as part of their construction. This section breaks down the components and educates you on some critical fabrication methods as well as supply chain and fulfillment. Section 4 is all about engineering, recognizing that machinery manufacturing ends up being more than just a build-to-print endeavor. We created this section to talk about the engineering efforts. This guide helps ensure you are evaluating your manufacturing partners, taking into account the technical aspects of the build with a qualified team. Last but not least, company information is covered in Section 5. When working with another company in a contract manufacturing capacity, be sure to cover your bases. We list important company features that will help foster a safe and stable working relationship. Things like company culture and financial stability are important but often overlooked areas of CM selection. Our guide has been designed to help you make the most of your decision-making process when choosing a contract manufacturer of machinery and equipment. Downloading this 9-page guide and keeping it by your side as you do your research will help position you to find the right partner for your program. So if you're ready to make the most of your contract manufacturing search, download our free guide today.